Building an online business today is becoming easier thanks to artificial intelligence. Tasks that once took hours now can be completed in just a minute with the right AI tools. If you have been thinking about using GoHighLevel, now is one of the best times to get started because the summer of AI campaign is now live. Along with GoHighLevel's all-in-one business platform, new customers can unlock a collection of AI tools, training, templates, and exclusive bonuses designed to help them get results faster. In this video, I will show you what's included and why this promotion is worth checking out. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you discover the best software and marketing tools. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link in the description to access the official Go High Level Summer of AI offer. By using the description link, you will automatically be taken to the latest campaign page. Now, let's get into the main part of today's video. First, let's quickly look at GoHighLevel. GoHighLevel is an all-in-one platform that combines CRM, sales funnels, websites, email marketing, automation, calendar, customer communication, and much more into one system. Instead of paying for multiple business tools, many entrepreneurs use GoHighLevel to manage everything from a single dashboard. Now, let's talk about the Summer of AI offer or campaign. This special promotion is built around helping businesses use artificial intelligence to save time, automate more work, and grow faster. One of the biggest benefits is access to the free AI tools when you active a paid GoHighLevel plan. These AI features can help you with writing content, creating marketing campaigns, improving customer communication, and automate everyday business tasks. Another exciting bonus is access to specialized AI agents or AI assistant. These advanced AI assistants are available for a limited period and are designed to help businesses complete more work with less manual effort. The campaign also includes monthly success packs packed with useful scripts, templates, guides, and ready to use resources. Instead of starting from scratch, you can use proven materials to speed up your marketing and business setup. If you are new to Go High Level, you will also receive a one time free kickoff call. This gives you the opportunity to better understand the platform and set everything up with more confidence. Learning resources are another major part of the promotion. You will have access to the Go High Level Academy and extensive training library where you can learn everything from the basics to more advanced strategies for using the platform. To help you get started even faster, the campaign also includes pre-built AI bot template. These ready-made templates allow you to launch AI-powered automations without having to build everything yourself. Another valuable benefit is access to the Go High Level community along with 24/7 live support. Whether you have technical questions or want to learn from other users, you will have resources available whenever you need them. And there is one more exciting part of the Summer of AI campaign. When you start a Go High Level trial, convert it to a paid plan and use the free AI tools included in the Summer of AI promotion, you will automatically be entered into Summer of AI Road to $100,000 contest. Throughout the campaign, participants have the opportunity to compete for a share of $100,000 in prizes. So, besides getting access to powerful AI features for your business, you could also have the chance to win part of the prize pool simply by participating in the campaign. The Summer of AI campaign is already live and will continue until 31st August. That means you still have the time to explore the offer, review everything that's included, and decide whether it is the right fit for your business. If you have been planning to start using Go High Level, this is one of the most valuable promotional campaigns they have offered because you are getting much more than just access to the platform. You are also getting AI tools, training, templates, expert guidance, and a supportive community to help you get started. And that brings us to the end of this video. Hopefully, this overview helped you to understand what's included in Go High Level Summer of AI campaign and why it's worth checking out. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe this channel, and use the link from description to explore the official Summer of AI offer before the campaign ends on August 31st. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.